What if you completely abandoned Google for an entire week and forced AI to handle every single daily task instead? I tried it for 7 days to see if artificial intelligence can actually replace traditional search. First up, AI completely dominates research and learning. Instead of clicking through dozens of scattered search results, AI acts like a personalized tutor that remembers your context. You can ask endless follow-up questions without ever losing the thread. Next, AI transitions search into a massive productivity engine. It doesn't just look things up, it actively drafts emails and brainstorms ideas. It even acts as a collaborative assistant to debug broken code. But on day 3, I hit a massive roadblock: live verification. AI struggles with checking up-to-the-minute details, like finding live travel prices. For highly time-sensitive information, finding official websites through traditional search is absolutely necessary. So the best digital workflow isn't replacing one tool with the other. Use AI to understand and create information, and rely on Google to navigate live reality.